Kubernetes is one of the highest trending technology in cloud computing as of today. Kubernetes had the fastest growth in job searches, over 173% from a year before. My name is Mumshad Manambat, and this is the Certified Kubernetes Administrator's course. Kubernetes is the go-to platform for hosting production-grade applications. Currently, demand for engineers with knowledge on Kubernetes is on the rise, and it is the right time to get your Kubernetes certification to stand out in the market. However, it is not that easy, especially as the exam is practical and hands-on. You need to know the technology, which is why in this course we first understand various concepts using illustration, animation, combined with some fun analogies to break down and simplify the complex concept. We then design and build our own custom cluster from scratch, and finally run end-to-end tests to validate that our cluster is fully functional. More importantly, we have coding exercises where you will practice solving Kubernetes coding challenges on a live Kubernetes environment right in your browser. Yes, you don't need to bring your own lab. We will provide you access to actual lab environments and challenges to practice on. We will validate your work and give you feedback instantly. We have hundreds of such exercises that will give you enough practice to be confident to appear for the exam. My course have helped hundreds of students clear the certification exam with good grades. You will also have exclusive access to a Slack channel where you can interact with me and other experts and students and get your doubts cleared. We're so sure you'll benefit from our course that we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's nothing for you to lose. So head over to KodeKloud.com to enroll in this course today, and I'll see you in class.